Welcome back to Modern Day Bum Living, where today is insulation day. We're bare bones and we need some insulation. Today's plan is to put some of these wood panels on the ceiling, just to give it some extra reinforcements. So that's my first step, and then I am looking at continuing to do my insulation and completing the entire rest of the
Said you never make it, push, 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 till it couldn't take it, no. Daddy told him not to cry, oh no, not what big boys do, oh no. Daddy told him have some pride, don't go acting like a fool. Yeah, said you'll never make it. A firm hand, expecting him to grow. Never was around to watch the show. You said suck it up and hold it in. Don't let them see you, your paper thin. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Standing right on the edge. Said you never make it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Standing right on the edge. Said you never make it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Yeah, you can make it, make it. Just do what you gotta do when you pull till you couldn't make it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Standing right on the edge. Said you never make it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. You know. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. Standing right on the edge. Said you never make it. Push, 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 till it couldn't take it. No. Daddy told him not to cry, oh no, not what big boys do, oh no. Daddy told him have some pride, don't go acting like a fool. Yeah, said you'll never make it.
If you've ever insulated a house, RV, or anything, I would love to know your experience with it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Modern Day Bum Living.